Hello everyone. I know that sometimes we all get bored with coding. To solve this problem, we should follow these 7 tips which I am going to discuss. First, work on personal projects. Choose a project that genuinely interests you or solves a problem you care about. Personal projects allow you to be creative, experiment with new technologies, and have a sense of ownership. Second, join coding communities. Participate in coding forums, social media groups, or coding meetups where you can interact with other developers, share knowledge, and collaborate on projects. Third, pair programming. Pair programming with a colleague or friend can make coding a more social and engaging experience. It also allows you to learn from each other and tackle challenges together. Fourth, set small goals and celebrate wins. Break your coding tasks into smaller, achievable goals. Celebrate each success, no matter how minor, to maintain motivation and a sense of progress. Fifth, learn new technologies. Explore new programming languages, frameworks, or libraries. Learning something fresh can reignite your passion for coding. Sixth, contribute to open source. Contributing to open source projects exposes you to real-world code bases and diverse challenges, giving you a sense of accomplishment while helping the community. Seventh, teach others. Share your knowledge through writing blogs, making coding tutorial videos, or mentoring others. Teaching can deepen your understanding and bring a sense of fulfillment. Okay, let's end this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.